Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. These are an effect you can use on any PNG picture or on a text plus node. There's one on there now. There's 22 of them. They all animate differently. Some are very similar, but they are all different. This is just a PNG picture of this flower looking thing. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's on the screen. Now, if you want something to rotate, you just go to angle. By the way, after you download them, go to SDS Kinetic Motion Pack. They'll be in effect. If you right click on the angle, expression, and go time, multiply by whatever number you want. Higher the number, the faster to rotate. Lower the number, the slower will. And you can stretch these all out to whatever length you want. Now it'll continue to rotate. And this is default right here. These will work on vertical resolution as well. And there's another one. Again, you can animate that. I'm just going to show you a few of them. You have all your controls up here. It's just standard controls. I really don't have to go over them. Everything's self-explanatory. Three different ones. Again, if you stretch it out, it'll just keep rotating. And again, you can animate it. If you want to go the other way, just put a minus in front of the number. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.